23 is the new me. AH Mark I Apache. We're getting these soon. November, we should be getting our first one.
If Dan was a helicopter, that would be him.
No, he's the Mi-24. Yeah, Chinook.
Is he?
He's the biggest one there is.
A big unit.
He's a big unit. He is a big unit. Let's have a look at this.
What are we looking at?
Oh, I wanted to show you the parts breakdown here. Big decal sheet, lots and lots of parts, photo etch. This is a connoisseur's kit.
Lots of screws in here.
This is something for Jack A.
Is it?
Yeah.
Put us in the little box. We're not in the little box again.
Ah!
Nobody can see us. They just think they're watching an unboxing.
Whoa! Look at this. You get some bombs.
Bombay.
You're getting some engine components.
I love a good engine.
This is the one I was looking forward to looking into.
Yeah.
They look like some tie downs. You've got windscreen wipers.
What would make this a connoisseur's kit? It's complicated.
Yeah, lots of parts.
Lots
of parts. Look at this. That is
Small.
all of. I want to get into that. That's all the radio equipment and all of the electrical boxes.
Don't they have wireless?
No, heavy wired, I think. I know it's a 90s aeroplane. No, helicopter.
3G.
2G. 2G forces. Lots of glass. Look at that.
The glass is really well detailed. Look at all the rivets on there. Can you see that? Getting close so the punters at home can see it. This is TAKOM. Where's TAKOM made?
China.
Is it? Really good stuff, huh?
Yeah. There you go.
When was the last TAKOM kit that you built, my friend?
I'm building the Stug.
Ah.
I'm building the Stug.
We've all built the Stug.
We have lots of little
late to the game
handles and latches.
Oh, look how
ammo belt.
Look how fine the armory is. Almost like photo etched, but in plastic.
Yeah, let me
Carver would break that.
She absolutely would. One touch. Look at that pitot tube. That's insane.
Yeah?
Yeah, this one. Look at that.
Saves you having to stretch it.
Yeah, exactly right. Or you can replace it with brass. And if you have someone like Carver in your life, I recommend building those out of brass. Look at that. Nice big 35th scale. So this will go with your tanks. It's not 32. It is a 35th scale rendition.
Why? Sometimes they 32nd scale.
Yeah. Big blade
helicopters.
Yeah, because helicopters serve with the army, so they're around tanks all the time, right?
I'm not too sure.
Look at that rivet detail.
Count the rivets. Can you count them?
They're raised as well.
Are they?
Yeah, these ones.
Is that good for, or do you prefer it recessed?
Me, I'd prefer these ones raised because that's probably what they are on these cowlings. Big cockpit tub. I just want to get into the.
But then what about when you sand them off?
You're not going to sand them off. This should fit so well that you don't have to sand them off. No? You don't even have to attack it with some sandpaper.
Really?
I don't want to attack it with the sandpaper, everyone. I just want to build it. And this is the kit for you if you don't want to attack anything.
I can't believe how much clear there is. And how the clarity. It's clean. It's nice.
Don't talk to me about clarity.
Oh.
Carver's going to enter.
It's clear.
Oh.
Snuss. Here we go.
Bush snuss. Look at that. Look at all that photo etch.
It's got lots of photo etch.
1, 2, 3, 4.
But you have to paint photo etch, right?
Yeah, with a primer as well.
Metal primer?
So this is typical of a TAKOM boxing. You get everything that isn't a plastic part in the one bag. Yeah, get out of there. So you're getting your instructions, your 2 decal sheets. That looks like some rope. You've got some metal parts.
What are these tiny, incy little bits? Can you see them?
Probably barrels for something.
See that? Look at that.
Yeah.
Tiny.
That's my IUD. And there's your instructions. Attack helicopter Apache. You're getting 3 schemes. I think you get a British one as well.
A British one as well?
Yeah, British Army, and the British Army. Frunk? Let's go to the frunk. Auto box. Roll out.
Did they ever do models of Transformers, or they were the model?
No, they were the model.
Oh.
Yeah, they never really made models.
Did you get into that, or that wasn't your era?
Yeah, I did actually.
Really?
My dad gave me all the vintage Transformers to play with.
They weren't vintage when he was a kid.
No, he got them
when they were new.
New, but they're worth a bit of money. He's got some sets that are worth a bit of money, but I liked playing with them as a kid. So I used to get the Hasbro ones. Yeah.